Hey, energy enthusiasts, gather round because today we're about to embark on a journey that will completely transform the way you perceive your daily companion, your bag. It's not just a storage space, it's a powerhouse of energy waiting to be harnessed. Imagine if every item in your bag propelled you towards your best self. Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of energy channeling through your bag. This isn't your ordinary bag organizing guide. This is a guide to unlocking the secrets that will propel you towards success and abundance. But before we unravel the mysteries hidden in your bag, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to join our community of seekers on a daily quest for wisdom. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the enlightening content we've got coming your way. Now, let's delve into the captivating art of energizing your life through your bag. Greetings, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for unlocking hidden potentials and channeling positive vibes into every aspect of your life. Today, we're tapping into the energy that resides within the seemingly mundane, your bag. It's more than just a place to stash your belongings. It's a reflection of your journey, an energy conduit that, when aligned correctly, can propel you towards your goals and dreams. Now, I know it might sound a bit unconventional, but bear with me because by the end of this video, you'll be seeing your bag in an entirely new light. We're not just talking about physical organization here. We're delving into the spiritual and energetic dimensions of your everyday carry. Now, let's not waste any more time and unlock the secrets hidden within your bag, the gateway to a more energized and successful you. Now let's take a deeper dive into the fascinating interplay between ancient wisdom and our modern lifestyle. Imagine the wealth of knowledge our ancestors possessed about the power of energy, something we're only beginning to understand today. Positive vibes, akin to a gentle breeze, have the ability to propel us forward swiftly, elevating our spirits. On the contrary, negative vibes, like a heavy anchor, can anchor us in place, hindering progress. And where does your bag fit into this intricate dance of energy? Surprisingly, it's not just a receptacle for your belongings. It's a vital component in curating a collection of power, efficiency, and success. Drawing parallels between ancient teachings and contemporary science, we unravel the concept of an energy field around people, a concept embraced both by spiritual teachings and scientific findings. Your bag, in a sense, transforms into a tangible representation of this energy field. The colors you choose for it become brushstrokes, shaping the canvas of your life's journey. Now let's confront a bold claim: the notion that certain colors in your bag might unknowingly block positive vibes. This revelation prompts us to uncover the forbidden hue while simultaneously discovering the color that acts as a magnet for abundance and positive energy. Consider your bag as akin to a sanctuary, a reservoir of positive energy. But before we venture into the mystical realm, let's address the practical aspects. The physical condition of your bag matters profoundly. A torn, damaged, or hole-ridden bag serves as more than wear and tear. It becomes a beacon attracting similar energies into your life. It's a subtle yet potent signal that change is not just beneficial but necessary. Now, peer into the depths of your bag. What treasures lie within? Dirt, unnecessary items, perhaps remnants of a bygone era? Your bag, a sacred space that accompanies you daily, deserves respect. By clearing out the clutter, you make room for the free flow of positive energy, allowing it to circulate and uplift every aspect of your life. The intricate relationship between your bag and money. Believe it or not, how you treat money within your bag reflects your perception of abundance. Crumpled bills and loose change scattered may seem inconsequential, but they become indicators of your thoughts on wealth, an energy that transcends paper or metal and resides within your beliefs. Let's not forget the often neglected companion, your purse. According to ancient practices, allowing it to touch the floor is a big no-no. Your purse, holding your most intimate items and dreams, deserves elevation. Hanging it up safeguards it from absorbing negativity from the ground, ensuring that it remains a sanctuary for your most cherished aspirations. And finally, the color palette of your bag becomes a canvas for energy. Beware of salmon, a color believed to block abundance and prosperity. Instead, embrace red, bold, vibrant, and adaptable. Aligned with traditional Chinese medicine, red emerges as the key to unlocking wealth and abundance in your life, infusing your journey with positive vibrations and limitless possibilities. To fully grasp the profound connection between your bag and the energy that surrounds us, let's further explore the symbolism encapsulated within this everyday accessory. Our ancestors, steeped in ancient wisdom, recognized the energetic forces that influence our lives. Today, we stand at the intersection of tradition and modernity, seeking to understand and harness these energies for our benefit. Positive vibes, described as a gentle breeze, have the power to lift our spirits and propel us forward in our journey. Conversely, negative vibes act as a weight, holding us back and impeding progress. Now, here's where your bag becomes more than a utilitarian item. It emerges as a key player in this cosmic dance of energies. It's not merely a repository for your belongings. It becomes a vessel for cultivating and emanating power, efficiency, and success. Consider your bag as more than an accessory. It's a sanctuary of positive energy. But before we immerse ourselves in the mystical aspects, let's address the pragmatic side. The physical condition of your bag is not just a matter of aesthetics. It's a silent communicator of the energy you attract. A torn or deteriorated bag can inadvertently draw in similar energies, serving as a subtle yet potent sign that change is not only beneficial but imperative for growth. As you peer into the depths of your bag, what do you find? Dirt, unnecessary items, or remnants of a bygone era? Your bag, a sacred space that accompanies you daily, is deserving of respect. By purging it of clutter, you not only create physical space, but also open channels for positive energy to flow freely, enhancing every facet of your life. As we conclude this enlightening exploration into the captivating realm of bag energy, I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. How has this perspective reshaped your view of your everyday companion? Are there specific practices you've adopted to infuse positive energy into your bag, and by extension, your life? Your experiences and insights contribute to the collective wisdom of our community. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our daily quest for wisdom. Remember, your bag is not just a vessel for belongings. It's a reflection of the energy you choose to surround yourself with. Thank you for joining me on the journey where we unravel the mysteries of everyday life and empower each other to live intentionally. If you're hungry for more insights and transformative content, explore our other videos and be sure to subscribe to stay informed about our daily uploads. As we navigate the complexities of our existence, always remember that your choices matter, even the seemingly small ones like the color of your bag. Embrace the power within you to shape your own narrative and create a life filled with positive energy. Until our next exploration, take care, stay enlightened, and may your journey be one of continuous growth and abundant positivity.